Okay, my name is Allan Ragi. I am the director for Kenya AIDS NGOs Consortium, CANCO, which is the network of over 150 organizations involved with HIV and TB. In the recent past, we are starting work on malaria. One of the things that we know is Kenya is one country where we had been having very heavy prevalence of HIV AIDS to a level where some areas had high levels up to 30% of the population. Initially, this was mainly in some parts of the country, but generally we have a countrywide infection, and therefore no one part of the country that is not infected. For a long time, we had no hope. I remember quite well where every Sunday or Monday morning you had to go up country to tell people what is AIDS and what is not. That did not help. We then went to the level where we started talking about the government's role in working on communities. That still did not help. But when coming the Global Fund, at the time of the initiation of the Global Fund, we had less than 2,500 people on treatment. As I talk to you today, we have over 560,000 people on treatment. The only thing we could say, thank you to Global Fund. It's not just 500,000 people who have been saved, but there are 5,000 people, men and women, who would have died by now, therefore leaving behind a trail of orphans who will not be having parents and who, by any standard, will not be able to enjoy their childhood or grow to young adults. The second thing that we know is that we now understand what is HIV, what is TB. I would say that as we started up, Kenya was among the top leading countries in terms of TB. As we are talking today, Kenya is have actually improved to the level of number 15. It has improved a lot. In terms of malaria, we have just had a rainy season. The malaria outbreak are gone, and people know about malaria, and we are able to actually be able to respond. So the only thing one would say, Global Fund have created not only resources but leadership in bringing other donors and other resources from communities together. And therefore, my urge is, let's thank for those who are involved in Global Fund. Let's be able to appreciate those communities who have been able to embrace joining us with the Global Fund. But more so, let's move forward to ensure that the remaining half also get treated, and so that we can all live together for the better of the world. Thank you.